My name is John Weymouth, and we're going to be going over this Alcon Constellation to show you that all systems are functioning properly. So our startup page, we'll select the doctor. The setup, we've got the cassette plugged in, so everything looks like it's ready to go. So we'll start with the prime. So now it's going to prime the Phaco handpiece, all the lines here. And while it's doing that, I can show you the light source. Start that up. So there's their port 4. Port 3. Port 2 and port 1. So all light sources are working. System's going through its prime, it's doing the final test. It tested the handpiece.
Continuous Phaco.
And it primed and we're ready to go to surgery. So our Phaco handpiece, we can select that. We're in Phaco. I'll press the foot pedal down. Handpiece is making ultrasound hiss. It's working. Then we have our vitrectomy cutter.
3D vitrectomy.
So we got that selected. Put it on 3D. So our cutter's working. And we got a vitrectomy. Our next is going to be the laser system. So we have our laser plugged in. I have the port plugged in to port 1. That means we have recognition of the laser. I'll go to the ready state. And then filters are in place. And single shot ready. And I have my laser meter here. And I'll show you that it does fire, but I'm going to cover it so that we can protect our eyes. And we are ready to go. Hit the ready button. Laser goes live. There is no foot switch present. Oh, maybe I should plug the foot pedal in. So we know the error state's working. When there was no foot pedal, it detected that for us, which is perfect. See the lights on for our foot pedal. Ready state.
0.
Transitioning.
Laser ready.
And firing the laser.
Mode.
I can go to continuous.
Continuous mode.
And everything is working. I can go increase the power.
1, 0.
Let's go all the way to 2 watts. And at 2 watts.
0 watts.
We have 2.04 showing up on the screen, so the laser is working properly. Let's go to port 2.
Laser standby.
Port 2. And you want this tested with any unit to make sure both ports are working. It turns green, so the cable's all the way in. Selected, confirm, ready.
1, 0 milliwatts. Laser ready.
Continuous energy. Activate the foot pedal. And we have 115. We selected 100. And let's go to 2 watts. And 2 watts.
0 watts.
We're running at 2.08. So everything is within spec. Let me shut my laser off here just for safety reasons. Communication laser has discontinued. And the other functions we have are scissors. So when I touch it, you should hear some air. So I'll tell it's connected when in fact it's not. So we have air coming out of that one, forceps. So that's working. And the VSC, viscous fluids control, that will be the same. So touch that, it's going to ask us to tell if it's connected. So that's working. And the other is the fluid, or the auto gas function. And we don't have any gas hooked up to this, so I can't demonstrate it, but we tested that during our PM cycle, and we know that works also. So everything on this machine, we test when we get it in, so we know it's working. So this video is just to demonstrate that actually everything is working on this unit, but we would never release this unit unless it was 100%. Thank you for your interest. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.